Hi, I'm SeAnn. Welcome to my channel. On today's video, we are shopping in and around Brisbane for some beautiful flowers to make a bouquet. So I've just stopped here at the Northside Flower Market here at Stafford. So what we are trying to find is some beautiful flowers to make a white bouquet and also some fun, bright, happy flowers to make a colourful one. Let's have a look. This is the best bunch and none of them are coming out. There's a little bit lackluster in there with the display. They've really taken quite a big hit since COVID. They've downsized, but now they seem to just do bouquets of flowers rather than the individual kind of stalks where we can create our own. So I'm going to head over to the Rocklea Market. So we have just arrived at the Rocklea Flower Market and it's quite late in the day. It's about 2:10. Officially they close at about 3 o'clock, but so a couple of the places are closed, as you can see, but the Flower Lovers store is still open, so fingers crossed that they've got something pretty. I really need a white bouquet for my grandma. Okay, so first impressions, at least they've got some variety going on. Oh, yes. This is better. This is much, much better than what we had.
Really green. That's the white one.
Okay.
Other than that, the majority of them is pink.
Alright, are those the green ones and the white? Brilliant. Awesome. Thank you so much.
No worries.
Okay, so these guys are the white ones. I'm willing to that. Like that. I think we'll grab a couple of stalks of these. So I've got a $15 budget. So they're $12.50 each. What's that? We've got 25. And let's find something to put with them. Maybe some greenery? Maybe some magnolia? They always look pretty. It's so cold in here. So cold. Cricket ball nuts. 2 each nut. Interesting. Okay. Mum said white flowers. But it's dead. I want a dead magnolia. Okay, so we're looking at the sunflowers for a little bit of inspiration. And they're $10 a bunch, and I really just want to create something bright and happy that I can put on the kitchen bench and look at while I make my cups of tea. What do you reckon? Nut together? Alright. Let's find some crap to put in between it all. So, we had success. I have a massive pile of beautiful flowers. I have 2 bunches of lilies, white lilies, and some magnolia leaves for Mum's bouquet that she wants to give to Grandma. And then we've got some sunflowers, some beautiful gerberas, and some other yellow things, and some gum leaves. So now that I've got my amazing, fantastic bunches of flowers, I'm gonna put them together. So let the creativity fly. Hi everyone, we've come back from the Rocklea Flower Markets, and we've got the essentials. So we've got a cup of tea, and we've got all of the flowers. So I've just put together a practice bunch that we've got with the magnolia leaves. So we've got a beautiful bunch ready for Grandma tomorrow. And now I'm going to split these up. So we've got a few magnolia leaves left. So we're going to break all of these apart, put together 1, maybe 2 bunches. I haven't done this in a while. I have commandeered some assistants. This is Alex, and let's see what kind of mess we can create. This is really cool. Makes a good like fly swatter. together quite a beautiful display actually. I think we can be quite proud of that little effort. And so we've got all our gerbers. We did forget to buy wires, so they will start to bend a little bit, but we can wire them after the fact a little bit to help keep them a bit stiff. But there you go, a nice happy bunch of flowers. Perfect for my desk. Thank you so much for joining me in today's flower making extravaganza. If you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button and the little bell, and I will see you on the next one. Bye guys. Actually, they look really nice.
You like that? I like the orange. Funnily enough, I did think that the orange might have been a little bit sort of contrived, but no, very nice.